Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, it's going to be a part 3 follow-up to my PLR series on how to make money with PLR products. And in this case, specifically, I'm going to be talking about videos, how to make money with PLR videos. And this sparked because when I look at some of the comments that I've received on my last PLR videos, see on the channel, I have 145 videos posted on the channel, but only 4 of them have been specifically related to private label rights. And you'll see right here, these last 2 videos I'm showing you on the screen were actually part of a series that I created. It's a mini series, and I have the first one was about how to make money with PLR articles. The second one was how to make money with PLR ebooks. So naturally, this third one is going to be about videos because articles, ebooks, and courses or videos are going to be probably the top 3 things that you can get, types of products that you're going to get with PLR. So it makes sense. I don't know if the series, how much more deeper it's going to go, but I had part 1 right here, part 2, and then this is part 3 that will fully kind of complete the mini series. I had, if I go over here to comments on the last video over here, Hope, subscriber of mine, said, please continue this mini series. And I know, I've had a lot of good feedback. Really appreciate your content. Thanks a lot. I'll take some action on these lessons and show you my results in the future. I've had some other people ask me to continue this series as well, if I can recall. So that's what we're doing today. So let me jump into the steps real quick. I'm going to get back into my presentation, and I'm going to go through this part really quickly with you. The slides right here, we're going to just take one step at a time. I'm going to show you on screen what it actually looks like, what steps you need to take, and how I go about doing this. So in step 1, you're going to find a PLR package from any number of available sites. I'm going to just use the one that I use because I have a lifetime subscription to there, and I like the products that I receive on that site. And then we're going to check the videos out and see if the content is good. So we can come over here. So we're going to come over here, and I'm going to go to the first site. The first site over here is bigproductsstore.com. And on bigproductsstore.com, they have all kinds of different products. You can go to browse all products and see what their latest products are. But then since this has to do with just video in particular, we're going to go to products. We're going to go over here to videos, and I'm going to click the videos link. Now, if you want to check this site out, you can buy a monthly package and just pay monthly for them. If you're on a budget, then you can go and buy a monthly package from them. If you go to join Big Product Store today, real quick, I'll just show you. They usually run a deal. So right now they have a deal going where it's $17 a month membership, and then they have a $98 one-time fee. Now, I just recommend not paying the $17 because you're going to come back to the site. You're going to do this every few months because they come out with so much new product that it's just, it's worth the investment. I finally did it. I got tired of paying these little fees. And anytime you can get a lifetime membership to a site that's been around for a long time, this site has been around for years, and they continue to put new private label rights products on there daily. So I do highly recommend just buying it one-off, buy the $98 and be done with it. Don't pay it again. Right now they're on a 50%. The normal price is $200. So go ahead, and I have a link below if you want to sign up for that. So we'll come back into it. And if we want to actually find a product to create and make money from PLR, I went to videos, right? I just went there and went to click videos. They have Instagram success guide. There's been a lot of this stuff that's come out. Social media marketing made easy. That's more like, in general, you're going to, might be a little bit more in general or generic, but you get, customer CIA, not really sure what that is, but you have all these different stuff. Mindfulness, the self-help stuff is really good to go for. You can turn those into audio books as well and publish them. You just have to be really careful about the way you do it, or they won't accept your stuff. But right in this case, a good one for this example on creating a course. So what we're going to be doing is creating a course with these videos and publishing it on Udemy platform, or hosting it ourselves on our own website, and then collecting payments from our customers from if we already have an audience, right? And so this easy keto, we're going to go over here and, we'll just make sure that we're logged in. Actually, I already logged in and pre-downloaded this just to make sure the video is fast. So you click on that, you got easy keto. And it's funny, I was watching a video from another internet marketer the other day, and he pronounced it keto. I thought that was pretty funny, but it is actually keto. Easy keto, a video upgrade pack. So you got this, and it'll tell you all that you can see, the different chapters. I would recommend each one of these I would use as a chapter. Okay, so we got that, and you're just going to click the download button. And once you download that pack, we go over, we're going to check it out. We're going to check out the videos on this to see if the content is good, right? And so we're going to come over here, and I already have that downloaded, and we unzipped it. I'm going to double click on it, and here, this is really cool. So I'm going to show you both ways. Most of the packages are not going to include audio files. So you're going to get all these videos. You can check these videos out. And of course, you could just throw this up and rebrand it a little bit. And actually, if you have an audience, you could create a funnel. If you have ClickFunnels or anything like that, you could actually create a funnel into this, and people just buy the product straight up, right? You could do that, but we're going to do something a little different. So I like to check this out. This is a really boring PowerPoint presentation. You wouldn't want to sell this to somebody, and you wouldn't want to sell this or put this up on Udemy platform either. You're just going to get terrible reviews. It's not engaging. These slides are really boring. The slides that I'm putting together simply for this YouTube video are better than this, I think. So don't do this. The videos are no good. So, but what we're going to do is, that's okay. They still, what we really want to focus on is the research aspect, right? Someone already went out and did all the research and wrote the ebook, created the audio and the videos. And so what we want to do is we come back over into here. Now, in this case, it's a bonus. We have the audio files. They give us everything, right? So you have the audio files, and you can double click those and check those out and see what the quality is. And I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. And depending on if you want a female voice or a male voice, that could also determine what you're going to do with this as well. But what we have is, this audio does sound good. It's a female voice. It does sound good. So we could take these and move on to video creation with these if we wanted to, okay? But I'm going to show you what to do when you don't have that and you don't have the video scripts. This has all the text video scripts for all the lessons as well. So this package in particular is perfect because it has everything. It has the audios, the videos, and the video scripts. And you can use all those to create our package and to create our course. So what we're going to do is pretend like we didn't have this transcripts and we didn't have the audio files, and all we had was a PLR video. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the video. You can take that video, and then we're going to move on to step 2. So we figured out that the video is good, and we're going to move on to step 2. So you have 2 options to use the content. First option, use the audio from the videos and create new videos from the audio. So the audio must be good recording quality, and many times it's not in PLR. So what you would do in this case is you would transcribe the video. And second step, this is more times than not, this is what I do, is that the second step is you're going to transcribe the video yourself. And this will take, hours of work for you. If you're going to listen to the video, have a Word document open and actually transcribe it. If you have time, but you don't have a budget to pay somebody else to do it, then that's fine. Do that, right? If you have a little bit of a budget and you want somebody else to do it, then that works as well. And that's what I do, or use software to do it. So you can hire somebody on Fiverr, Rev, or Descript to transcribe the content for you. I'll show you those sites real quick. So you can go over to Fiverr and you can type in video transcription and look at, there are almost 4,000 services on Fiverr that you're able to look at and, find a good price and find somebody that has good reviews. And, there's 4,000 people offering this service. So you're going to be able to find somebody for a pretty good price. Rev content, also they have a good price, as $1.25 per minute of transcription. So if you, depending on what you're finding, a lot of times you'll find like 15 minutes. Sometimes people will do 15 minutes of a video for on Fiverr for $5. Okay, so those two are paid services. And then there's another service. If you want to have the control over it yourself, then this site over here, and we'll go to pricing. It's called Descript. Not a whole lot of people know about this software, but you can actually come in here and they will transcribe your audio. I think it's 95 or 98% accurate, where it literally takes the audio and goes to work and transcribes it for you. So it's not YouTube transcribing it for you. You know, YouTube has an automated transcription that is not as accurate. This one is a powerful software that will transcribe it for you. And so they have different plans, and you could also look into that if that's what you want to do. So then that would move us into step 3. Use the script you have transcribed and record new voiceovers for each video, right? So we went over there, we took the video, we gave it to, somebody, they transcribed it, they gave it back to us. And now we have the script, right? So now we have the script, and now what you can do is you can record it, use any recording program. You can use Audacity, which is a free open source, but what I find about that one is there's a learning curve on how to edit those. What I do is use Screencast-O-Matic. So this Screencast-O-Matic, and then you can just type in Screencast-O-Matic on Google. And I use this software to do my video recordings on YouTube, but then also as a voiceover artist, I also use this scripted feature, which I've never seen any other software quite like it that actually has a feature like this. You can go in here, you can title your document, and then I'm just going to take some text over here from one of my last articles I wrote for a website. And we're going to come back over here, and we're just going to go like this, Control V, paste that in there. And now watch what happens. It breaks it up by sentence. And right here, you can actually record each sentence at a time. So you're not having to do a bunch of editing. So I could push record right here and then record that, push this one and push record there. And then at the end of the day, you can get rid of silences. It has a noise reduction in it, everything. It's very powerful. That's how I would go and record this. And I have done this before, and I've taken ebooks, and maybe that's my next video, using ebooks to create audiobooks. I'm definitely going to make part 4 now that I'm thinking of it, because that's very powerful. So that's step 4. Then you're going to have your voiceover that is created, right? So then we're going to go over to, or that was step 3, sorry. So step 4, use Vidnami to create the videos with AI technology very quickly and very accurately. Okay. So you're going to complete this for all the videos that are in that PLR package, and you will find a full course ready to upload. At that point, you'll have a full course ready to upload to Udemy and sell to your following using Gumroad or any other platform that hosts the videos and takes customer payments. So you have an option to do that. And I'm just going to show you that real quick if you haven't seen that. So there's a site called Vidnami. You can sign up for a free trial, and you're going to love it because it does all kinds of different videos. And this is just the beginning of it, because it actually does it automatically. The videos come out very professional and very impressive. And if you were going to build one of these videos with going to Storyblocks or YouTube and looking for stock footage and downloading each one for every single topic, you would have to find a video that's relevant and download, and then use a video editing program and put all that together. And you are going to spend hours putting together a 10-minute video, a 5 or 10-minute video, if you're doing it yourself, manually. Or you could take the Vidnami route and have it done for you much, much, much faster. And then what's really cool about this is that not only is it AI technology, it's going to do it automatically for you, and it syncs it to the audio as well, which is amazing. They've just upgraded their AI technology as well, so it's even smarter than ever. But then it syncs it to the audio, which can take a lot of time in the video editing. So, and then the pricing, you can click on the pricing tab. It's $47 a month, or you can pay annually. So that would be, the software that I would recommend. Or you can also try WeVideo, which does have Storyblocks connected to it, and you're going to have a little bit more manual customizations to it, but it will take a little bit longer to edit your videos, but you can make a little bit more unique videos as well. So both those tools are what I would recommend to create the videos. And then the final kind of sub step in step 4 is to complete. And so after this, then we're going to publish this on either Udemy. And so, we took the ketogenic diet, right? So we had the keto ketogenic diet right here. And that's what we were using in this example. So we can come over here, and then I just typed in ketogenic diet here. And what I like already is that there's only 1,269 results. I can type in so many other different niches that I'm actually making sales in that have over 10,000 results for a keyword. So the fact that keto is a very popular, probably a top 3 most popular diets. I don't know if that's worldwide or at least in the United States, but the fact that there's only 1,200 is actually lower competition than it looks. Especially when you're looking at Amazon KDP publishing or something, and this would be a great niche as well. But sometimes you type something in like adult coloring book, and there's 50,000 results, right? So this is a relatively low competition, and you're making some good money here, good course reviews, and you can see these top courses making almost $1,000 a month from having one. This one's making $6,000, and they just enrolled 1,400 people. That's crazy. So, and this one is from a professor, so they have a little bit more. This is an actual doctor teaching you. But I like to scroll down here and just look at the length, 1 hour course right here, and just kind of look at what's selling and what's profitable. Maybe right here, a 1.5 hour course right here, making $50 a month. And then you can build a Udemy business with PLR. You can make $50 a course, do the math, you put up 10, 20, 30 courses, you will be making up some pretty good monthly income. Alrighty, so that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. And if you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. That means that you're a go-getter and that you're motivated and you're serious about your online business. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can get more content like this. I mean, these are videos that I would put in a premium course. I'm giving this information out to you for free, so if you want more content like this, go ahead and just subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. Right now, I'm averaging about 4 or 5 videos a week, so you're going to get a constant flow of new exciting content from me. And then a cool thing is I'm going to kind of offer is if I can get 30 likes on this video, then I will continue the series. And the next video will be about how to turn PLR ebooks into audiobooks. So make it a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.